Galaxy.
Galaxy, that's
Mama?
right.
Yeah, good job.
Have galaxies.
I can see, bud.
What's that one?
Moon.
That's the moon. Good
Good
job.
job.
Okay, what is that one?
Plane.
What is it? Say it again. What's that?
What's that called, Harry?
Star.
Good
That's
job,
right.
Harry.
Okay, do you remember this one? Tough one.
Mama,
Yeah.
can I have?
Yeah, tell me what that one is, though, and then I'll...
Can I walk your beard? Can I?
Okay, last
Okay,
one.
last one, then it's yours.
Earth.
That's right.
Who lives on
Who
Earth?
lives on Earth?
The sky.
And who else? Harry does, and Clarky.
Yeah.
Hey, Willow, Jackson, and Moon.
Okay, Harry, is there anything you would like to tell the camera
Willow,
before I give it to you?
I want sun. What about sun?
What about the sun?
Want to see the sun?
Want to look at a picture of the sun?
Harry, do you
Okay.
have any words of wisdom for the video before I turn it off? Harry?
Nope. what about?
Bye, Harry.
What?
Say bye, Mama.
Bye, Harry.
Bye, Mama.
Love you.
Hey, what about that one? That one? Yellow.